Hey there, I'm Zach with FTx. Today, we're showcasing a few new discount types, and we're going to go over why you would use them. So let's get going. As you know, our discount engine is super flexible. You can accomplish just about any scenario dreamt up. Recently though, we had a customer request for something that we couldn't figure out a way to handle without jumping through quite a few hoops. So we decided to add more flexibility to our discounts. The requirement was to require a certain dollar value to be spent on a certain number of items before triggering the discount. While we have several options for a discount to be triggered by quantity, there was nothing to trigger based on dollars. You can accomplish something similar to this via a loyalty campaign, but that happens post-sale. And this can also span multiple transactions. This requirement needed everything to happen in the same transaction. That being said, the new discount types are named Spend X dollars on Y products and get a discount, either free item, dollars off, or percent off. So let's take a look at how you would set one up. From discount details, once you've chosen one of the new discount types, you'll be prompted to enter the dollar threshold, and that's X dollars, the product threshold, Y products, and then the discount amount or value to apply. Then you will choose the trigger items, and these will be the items with the dollar threshold. Finally, you would choose the discount items, the items eligible to be discounted, and the quantity threshold. Like all discounts, you're able to set a specific schedule for the discount and can apply various options like require loyalty, limits, etc. Let's say we want to give customers a discount of 10% off each cigar when they buy at least 5 cigars and spend $25 on any cigar accessories. I would use discount type Spend X dollars, buy Y products, and get Z% off. My X dollars would be set to $25, my Y products would be set to 5, and my Z% off would be 10. Now from discount filters, I would choose my cigars. Of course, this can be any grouping, products, departments, categories. And after setting those, from the trigger option, I would specify trigger list, and then the trigger items. Here, I would specify the applicable cigar accessories. This means the customers would need to purchase at least $25 of any of the accessories specified. This can be one $25 item or multiple items totaling $25. And there has to be at least 5 of the specified cigars on the sale. If both those are true, this will fire and each cigar on the sale would receive 10% off. That's the essentials for these new discount types. Hopefully it will help you creatively entice your customers to spend a little more to unlock some savings. Thanks for tuning in.